Hello, Matthias Brenner my name. I'm working for SCHUNK. SCHUNK is a company family owned and with a great tradition of 80 years of experience in clamping technology and gripping technology. We come from this traditional part, so let's say components, and we are in a transformation to getting more intelligent products. So for example, we have sensors inside our products to be able to measure or to monitor processes during cutting, for example. This is exactly this transformation we are showing and displaying on our booth on the EMO show this year, 2025. And we go a step further. We also show solutions around, we call it machine tending, around automate all the processes around the machines. And we even offering now with our new in our portfolio automation cells, where we can, for example, laser in a very automated processes products for our customers. This we're going to show on the EMO 2025. Visit us.